Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how to configure and install SSL valid certificate of your PFSense. So you can see my domain name is kulvinder.net and that HTTPS is not valid. Actually is it secured, but that certificate is not valid. So we'll get it that one. So I will try from that 0 SSL, okay, which is free for the 90 days, you can see. But once it expired in within 90 days or after 90 days, you can renew again with the 0 SSL with the new account. Okay, so let's start it. Just put your domain name. Okay, next step. So just create account. So actually there is my email service with the kulvinder.net domain name, so that's why I have this email account. If you doesn't have that similar domain name account, with your domain name, so you can use any other domain name also, like a Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo.mail. Okay, all right, so next step. So select 90 days, auto generate, selected, next. So certificate has been created. So next step for the final. So I will verify with the email. So in case you doesn't have email verification, and you can use DNS CNAME. You have to point out that CNAME with this host name and point to with these values under your DNS records. Either it is on GoDaddy, AWS, or any other. If you don't know, I have created video for the DNS records on GoDaddy plus AWS Route 53. So currently I will use email verification. So just select your email. Okay. So email link has been sent to my that registered email on this one that is there. Okay. There is, just copy this code, go to verification, put that one, next. Okay, so now refresh, it's verified. Okay, now we'll recopy this one, go to verification page, put this one, and next. Okay, refresh. So domain name has been verified. Install certificate, just download. Okay, just copy on your desktop. Okay, just right click, copy this value, and go to your PFSense system, certificate manager, certificate, add, import certificate, web server, put any name and certificate data, paste, private key data. So there is, open again, copy, paste, save. Okay, so there is our certificate. Now go to system again, advanced, and select certificate, web server, save. Okay, so it will take few seconds to the redirect with the new SSL. Okay, so let's refresh. I will go to that private window to show you. Okay, so now there is lock key sign. Okay, so connection is secure. Certificate, there you can see, and it's 90 days valid up to month of 8. All right, so this was the video how to configure SSL with the pfSense web server. I hope you have liked this video, and subscribe, share, and please